So again, going back to the data transfer instructions, this time we will be discussing move ZX or the move zero extend, which can be in the form of both 32-bit and 16-bit. So what it does is it extends the size of the destination. So say for example, remember one of the rule in data movement is that you cannot move different size of um, a register or a memory location. So in this case, we can be able to move a smaller size register to a bigger size register. So in this case, as you can see, we have here destination is a register or a memory, which is 16, to a 32-bit register. You may also have a register or a memory that is 8 to a 16-bit of size. Yes, 16-bit of size. So for an example, we have here move. So as you can see, this is the part. So move AX 1, 2, 3, 4 in decimal. So when it is mapped in the memory, it will become a hexadecimal. And then we have here the move 0 extend uh, from the lower, from a byte to a word. So in this case, we have here, so let's do the TASAM. It is temp, so temp, okay, so link temp, and we have to trace the temp, okay, or TD. So in this case, we have this given program or instruction. So let's trace that function F7. So as you can see, the content of the registers are changing. So we also have the DS, the data segment address changed. So now, so remember this is 1, 2, 3, 4, but in hexadecimal that is 0, 4, D2. Okay, so we have move 0 extend BXAL. So let's see what will happen to the content of your BX. So as you can see, initially this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So if you extend, so that means it moves the lower byte. But since that is 0 extend, so it gives you the 0, 0. Okay, so it doesn't work in the debug because it doesn't, that is a 16-bit. So the instruction move ZX, and move SX must be in 32-bit, must be in 386 microprocessor. Now, so in this case, let's try if it works with the 286. So to exit, so again, let's do the custom temp. Okay. So the lick temp and the PD temp. So, okay. So it works. It doesn't give us any error. So it will produce the same thing, output. So this time, let's try it with no 286 or 86. So I will save and then run again. So as you can see, illegal instruction for currently selected processor. So this move ZX and move ZX can only work on 286386. Of let's try the 486. So it works. So and the PD10. So it's working. Anyways. So this time, let's try to use a memory location. Say I have a num.db which has a content of 20 hexadecimal. So this time, I will be moving, so move ZX in CX, whatever the content of num. Save, then assemble, link, and trace. try. So as you can see, gives us the same. How about this? So this one, so from CX initially that is 0, 0. So we were able to move a 20 22 from a byte to a word. So how about, let's try, I'll just put here. So move 0 extend, yeah, 0 extend to dx. This time we put an immediate value. Say I will put here 41h. So save, exit, and ascend. So as you can see, we cannot use immediate values. So it gives us an error. So you can only use either a register or a memory for the source. So this time, let's try to do, okay. So if I have, say for example, move AX. So I have here the same, move AX is 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time, instead of doing move ZX, I will do move BX, whatever the content of the AL. Whatever the content of the AL. So again, TASM. So it gives us an error. Why? Because it's a rule that you cannot move different sizes of operands. So different size of operand, you can move from smaller to higher byte, provided you use a move say X or move 0 extend instruction. Okay, so that is the problem. Okay, so I was able, so I deleted the value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time, so let's proceed to the move. Okay, so